Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to Health with Ceels. So today I'm going to be preparing for you a facial toner or spritz that you can use throughout the day to hydrate your skin. Now we're going to be using some amazing hydrating ingredients today. We're going to be using aloe vera juice. Now I have the juice and I also have the leaf and I also have the gel. You can use either of them. I'm also going to be using rose water. I'm also going to be using vegetable glycerin, and you can also choose to use one essential oil or your favorite oil, whichever you choose. Today I'm going to be using rose hip oil. Now if this is something that you're interested in, if you're looking to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day, or if you're over 40 or in your 50s or 60s and you want to reduce the signs of aging, this is a perfect way to do it. I'm going to show you how to put it together and how to apply it to your skin throughout the day to get the best results. So stay tuned. Now guys, it's time to put together our ingredients. Now this is a very simple but one of the most effective facial toner or spritz that we're going to put together. And as I said before, I'm going to be using the aloe vera juice. You can get this to purchase at Walmart. And as we know, the benefit of aloe vera juice is wide ranging, and aloe vera is one of the most versatile ingredients that we can use in our DIY. I love to use aloe vera, as you know, in our DIY because this is a perfect ingredient because it hydrates our skin, it exfoliates, it nourishes, it clarifies and revitalizes our skin. And we're going to be using today, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has antioxidant activity, and its richness in vitamins will help to repair our skin, and also it protects our skin from harmful effects of UV rays from the sun. Its smoothing quality will help to prevent and diminishes the appearance of wrinkles and fine line, hence the reason why it's a perfect ingredient in our facial toner today. It also perfectly moisturizes our skin and our hair, making it feel so amazing without any greasy residue. And so we're using it today in our DIY for that very reason. Now we're going to also be using glycerin in our DIY today, and we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of glycerin. And just in case you don't know glycerin, you can get glycerin to purchase at any health food stores, and I believe Walmart also sells it as well. Glycerin is amazing for our skin because it acts as a great humectant, which is a substance that allows our skin to retain its moisture. It can also increase our skin hydration and relieve dryness and refreshes the skin surface. We're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the glycerin. Glycerin is also an emollient, which means that it softens our skin. It is great for eczema, psoriasis, and it leaves your skin feeling amazing, removing all the rough and dry patches. So glycerin is great in our facial toner today. So the next ingredient that we're going to be using is rose water. Now rose water is a very popular ingredient, and it's actually very inexpensive. This whole bottle, guys, I paid approximately $1.29. Okay, now you can purchase this from any store. It is a very popular ingredient. I found this particular one in an Indian store, but I also purchase it sometimes from Walmart or any health food store. Now rose water is a super simple and exactly what it sounds. It's made from roses and water. Rose water smells so amazing, guys. It has this amazing, beautiful scent of roses, and this is one of the reasons why it's used in so many DIYs. It has innumerable benefits to our skin, and it keeps your skin looking youthful and refreshed. Rose water is also used to balance our skin's oil. If you have oily skin, this is perfect ingredient to use in your DIY. Rose water also reduces the look of temporary redness, It helps naturally to hydrate our skin. It also has antioxidant properties that nourishes and protects our skin. And we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of rose water today. You know, rose water also helps to prevent lines, fine lines, and a wrinkle, and diminishing the look of existing fine lines and wrinkles. It minimizes the appearance of large pores, and so make our skin looking youthful and keep it refreshed and hydrated. And so who wouldn't want to use the calming and soothing effect of rose water in our facial toner today? It's a perfect ingredient for our DIY facial toner today. Okay, so the final ingredient that we're going to be using today, guys, is rosehip oil. And you know, rosehip oil, you can purchase this from Amazon, or you can get this from, you know, different health food stores. You know, it contains vitamin C and vitamin A. It also contains essential fatty acids such as oleic acid, palmitic acid, linoleic acid, and it also is a good source of vitamin F. And as you know, vitamin F is a fatty acid that is made of linoleic acid and alpha linoleic acid, and that means it is hydrating to our skin, it's moisturizing, it helps to exfoliate and brightens our skin, and it also helps to boost collagen formation. So we're going to be using today approximately about a teaspoon of the rosehip oil. I like to use a lot of oils in my DIY. Now, rosehip oil is also helpful in boosting collagen, and so, you know, it reduces inflammation, it protects our skin from sun damage, and it also reduces hyperpigmentation. So it is perfect for our facial toner or spritz today. Now guys, our facial toner is ready for use, and so we're going to transfer it into this spray bottle here. Now guys, I'm transferring my facial toner into a spray bottle, making sure all of it goes straight into the bottle. We don't want to waste any of it. And now that we have it, guys, this is all you need to keep your skin hydrated. Now guys, all you have to do, this is your toner. You put all these ingredients together, and all you have to do is to apply it twice daily. Now all I have to do is to shake my bottle here, and I just spritz it on my face. You can apply this before you apply your makeup or after your makeup. You can apply it while you're sitting at your desk at work. You can apply it, you know, while you're walking on the street. You can apply it sitting in a, you know, on the subway or wherever you are, guys. This is perfect to hydrate your skin on a daily basis. It has all the perfect ingredients that you need to keep your skin looking youthful, refreshed, and hydrated right throughout the day. Now, if you decide to use this particular toner, let me know in the comments that you're going to give it a try, and if you do give it a try, let me know how it went for you. And also, if you like this video today, why not give it a like the video, comment on it, and if you're not yet joined the family, I want to invite you to become a part of the family. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family. We have a lot of great information, great content that are coming out for you soon, and I want you to ensure that you're all a part of this growing YouTube family. Now guys, until then, I'll see you in my next video. Cheers to your great health and great looking skin from Journey to Health with Ceels. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!